What's up, bros? Me and the shawty. And Will's shawty. Just surfing the perf wave, bro. Hey, chill out your body, Serena, or else there's gonna be no waves, dude. See you in episode 5 when we hit the wave, when the schwave of Dave.
A wave is coming. There's a wave, there's a wave, there's a wave. Go, Serena! She's swimming against the wave. She got it. She's got it. She's got it. She's up. She's going. She's at the shore.
I must be Yo, hey, bro, surf dude. I surf, bro. Yo, Serena, document your experience on that last surf.
That's crazy, dude.
Explain more. Give me more detail and depth. Looks like she's a fish. Sick. Tell the world how you're feeling right now. Yeah, she's not doing very good.
You're doing it so close to your face.
Because it's funny. It looks funny.
Just here. I found a mermaid in the park.
He just found a shawty in the sea.
Very, very patient.
That's how you risk a mermaid right here. Wow, you look majestic right now, Kira.
I doubt it. Just wait.
Okay, you want me to push you?
Yeah.
Alright.
On the board.
That's surftastic.
Knockout.
Knockout surfs out, bro. But with water.
All right, so finally we're gonna
Okay,
do
guys,
the pig.
as the pig see you come up to the pen, he's gonna jump up on the pen. Just put the beer straight in their mouth. Don't open it. That pig that just come up. Okay, that one, that's the only pig. You have to open the beer and pour it in his mouth. Oh my God. Yes. Every other pig you have to
That's fantastic.
Wow. I want that one.
Look at my man over there.
So proper for everything.
They're big.
Guys, the other pigs are waiting for beer.
We've all been like that at one point. Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
Very good.
I wanted to invite him for it.
Yeah.
No, I want that one we had.
This is so nice.
Oh, dude. There's more, buddy. There's more.
Wow. Oh, thank you. Hey. Oh my goodness.